So we now have our published web address for the final portfolio, and let's have a look at what this looks like if I put that address into a browser window. And here is the completed portfolio showing contact profile information and learning journals. Some of the page content has started to go in here as well, with the tagging information attached as well. And we can flick down some of the other pages in order to look at the content. The change of colour that you see here is simply because I've changed the themes, and there are about 6 or 7 that users can choose between. One of the issues that we're going to need to think about is the degree to which we allow for users to customize their pages as much as they would like, right through to the other extreme where we try to keep the whole thing organized and therefore well structured and simple. Of course, the more you allow your students to personalize the content of the portfolio, the greater the complexity and the more the need to support that complexity. Now, it could be that people will self-select the degree to which they want to do this, but of course we can provide help, and the best help perhaps is the use of videos such as the one on the first page here, which you can see introduces the community and how it might work and what it might look like, and we can have as many of these as we like in different places. It's equally possible to provide embedded media that uses talking heads as well, and on this page you see an example. This is an embedded video of a straight talking head. Turn the sound off, as you can see is quite dull and not very exciting, but at least it means that the page can be introduced, and it's possible to involve a discussion with the student about how they might like to proceed. In a final example of how this might work, you can see that here also is another link, but in this particular piece of support you can see that you can have a talking head embedded into the support page, so that you can actually have teachers explaining how they might like to, how the student might like to use a particular page. If we use video as well, and if we provide this level of support plus fora and also blogging opportunities and so forth, then it should be possible to provide a really quite sophisticated degree of customization to students, which means that they can make the portfolios truly personal and therefore improve the profundity of the learning that not only is captured by the student but that which is published to others as well.